Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you find your friends on Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to find your friends in Google Chat, you just simply have to open this chat application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now, in order to check your friends or chats, you just simply have to tap into this chat section at very first. And after that, you can see all of the DMs that you have. And if you want to search for any more friends who are not showing into this chat section, you just simply have to tap to this icon at the bottom right. And after that, you can search the Gmail or name of your friend, and you can find them very easily. This way, you can easily find your friends on Google Chat. If this video helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.